Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you a spring home decor haul. Happy Easter weekend. I hope you all are having a fabulous weekend with your family. And today I wanted to do a good old-fashioned haul video, just a random haul video of some decor items that I recently found at Value Village, Dollarama, Michael's, and HomeSense. And I hope you enjoy this. These are kind of fun because I get to give you a little preview of projects that I am going to be sharing here soon, whether they are decor projects or DIY projects. Also, I want to let you know that I have a new printable just for you. It's completely free up on my blog today. They are lemon inspired to-do lists and shopping lists. I think they are super cute. They're going to be featured in a DIY coming up on Monday. So make sure to click somewhere up here or in that description box below to download your free printable. No strings attached, just a gift to you. I also have a free floral printable set. There's a set of 3 artworks. If you sign up for my newsletter, which I only send to you once a week, and all it has is the latest blog posts and videos that I share, so it's just a really easy way for you to keep up with all the newest DIY ideas that I share here. I will leave a link to sign up for that and get those free printables up here or down in that description box below. So let's get started on this home decor haul. So first of all, I want to share with you what I found at Michael's. I got this giant lavender wreath, faux lavender. I have been eyeballing this for a while because I want to do another low, high, or DIY video very soon, and I wanted to focus on a wreath. So I got a low version of a lavender wreath. I featured it in my spring home decor tour at HomeSense. This is the high version. So it is a $70 wreath, which I think is a little bit too expensive. However, I did use a coupon on it, so I used my 40% off coupon. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I do want to try to DIY a lavender wreath too, so make sure to stay tuned to my channel to see all 3 wreaths and then tell me which one is your favorite. The other things I found at Michael's were these beautiful kitchen towels. They are very farmhouse inspired, just black and white check, black and white stripe, because I want to style our camper and give you a tour of that soon. Again, it's year 3 of our camper, show you what's holding up, which basically is everything. Everything's doing quite well, and style it a little bit differently, maybe a little more black and white this year, so stay tuned for that. These ones were $12, however, they were 40% off each. Then at Michael's, they had a deal of the week for Grapevine Wreaths, and you know that I use these all the time, so this is going to be the base of my DIY lavender wreath, and it was $5. I also should mention, because this always gets commented on, I'm in Canadian dollars. So all the dollars I'm listing here are Canadian. So if you're in the States, multiply that by 0.75 and that's about the value of the products for you. So let's move on to the thrift store. I stopped at Value Village. Every time I go there, I make sure I check in their vintage book section, and I found a beautiful set of green and blue books. I'm trying to collect green and blue vintage books. So I think they make a great decor item. I'm not actually going to read them. I have some on my mantle right now, and they usually have a deal like buy 3 get 1 free or buy 1 get 1 free or something. So yeah, got a couple of those at Value Village. I don't know what you guys are going to think of this one, but I picked up this vintage spoon rack for $4.99 Canadian at Value Village. I think it looks quite dated, but I think I am going to give it a makeover and turn it into something completely new, not a spoon rack. Stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to share this next Saturday, and it's going to be a collab with one of my favorite YouTubers, so don't forget to check in next Saturday and see what I do with this. Moving on to the dollar store. So I go to Dollarama, mostly here in Canada. It's a Canadian dollar store. Rumor has it there is one in California. I have been stocking these storage containers. They always have them at Dollarama. They're only $4 Canadian. They're quite nice quality. They're 10 by 10 by 10 and a half, I think. And they have them in all different colors. So yellow, pink, blue, and this gray. And I wanted to grab some of these for that kids playroom, that tween playroom that I shared this week, because I just wanted the neutral to go along with all the bright colors that I was sharing. So I finally found it in the gray. I bought 4 of these, but I'm going to try to get 4 more. And anyway, they're just I just think they're a beautiful little storage bin for the cost. Another thing that I got at Dollarama was this I'd Rather Be in the Garden mug. Super cute. And it's a tin mug. I think it would make a great piece to maybe a Mother's Day gift basket. So we'll see if I get around to that. I think my mom would like this. I like this too. And finally, I want to share my HomeSense finds. HomeSense is very similar to Home Goods in the States. I found this beautiful cheese board set. So they're a set of 4 cheese knives by Samantha Pin. She's a designer up here in Canada. She does absolutely gorgeous work, lots of florals and watercolors and marbles, and these have just gorgeous marble handles and copper tops. And I thought that would be a nice addition to a beautiful charcuterie tray, maybe for spring or summer. I want to do at least a blog post on that coming up, so I thought that would be a nice, these would be really pretty to style. Also at HomeSense, and also for this charcuterie, the idea that I'm thinking about for spring or summer, I found these really pretty, almost like honeycomb patterned serving bowls, a set of 4. These ones are only $8 Canadian for the set of 4, and I also forgot to mention that the cheese knives were $17. And I thought these were just so pretty. They'd be really great for like little pickles and olives and things in a cheese board or a charcuterie. So hopefully I'll be styling that soon, and then I can show you some ideas if you're doing your own appetizers for spring and summer coming up. So that's it. That was my random decor haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which of these items was your favorite. Let me know what you would do with that vintage spoon rack and what you think of the potential to do the low hire DIY video with the lavender wreaths. Again, make sure to check out my blog today for the free printables that I have for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor and lifestyle ideas on a budget. And again, happy Easter, guys. I wish you a blessed Easter. I wish you lots of rest and relaxation this weekend with your family, with your friends, with your cats, with your dogs. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.